Swing fast, hit it hard.
Down the ball all the way.
There you go. Come on, Lee. You see it now. Let's go.
Do one.
Good eye.
Down the ball all the way.
Don't give him nothing, Lee. Don't give him nothing. Come on, Lee. You got it.
Come on, Lee.
Come on, Lee.
One more time. Hold time. Let's go.
You can do this.
Get you one, Lee. No, there you go.
Good job, Lee.
Number 17, Christian Brooks.
Hit it hard, Chris. Hit it in.
Do this, Christian.
Any base, step on their back.
Down the ball all the way.
They took a century to get here.
Woo! Be ready,
See what you're dealing with, man. Come on.
Right, now you see it.
Track the ball.
Down the ball all the way.
Listen, try.
Okay.
Hey, now you protect. Anything close, you gotta go. Go, baby.
Good eye.
Anything close, you can't touch it.
Mama. Good job.
Back, let's go.
Okay.
Make it work. Go, man. Make it work. Make it work.
Woo!
Hey,
I like it.
hold on to that belt. Hold on to it, okay? Way to battle, okay? Anything close, go. Anything close, you gotta go.
Let's do it, Christian. Keep down the ball all the way.
1, 2.
It's hard and work.
Number 36, Isaiah Gordon.
Come on, Isaac.
Do this, Ed. Keep down the ball all the way.
That batter. That batter.
Is it almost done again?
Let's go, Isaac. Make it work. Let's go.
Come on. Come on, Isaac. You can do this.
Come on, watch that. Come on, wait for it to snow.
Get out.
Good eye.
Hey, you ready? Isaac, back up in the box.
Back up, Isaac. Back, no, towards the catcher. Towards the catcher.
Let's go.
Isaac.
Let's go. Let's go.
No, Jesus. Take Isaac. There you go.
Anything close, you gotta go.
Thank you.
Like
Thank you.
yesterday. There you
All
go.
right.
Get back,
Get back in that same spot. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Just like yesterday. You have to go.
Isaac,
That's
go.
it. 1, 2.
Down the ball all the way.
Anything close.
Where to go?
Down the ball all the way. You can do this.
Isaac, you got it.
There you go.